Men over 60, 3 drinks that improve blood flow and bedroom performance naturally. Most men don't realize how quietly the changes creep in. You wake up one day and notice your energy doesn't carry you as far as it used to. The mornings feel heavier, the evenings feel quieter, and somewhere along the way, the bedroom becomes less about passion and more about avoidance. If you're over 60, this isn't unusual, but it's not inevitable either. What many don't realize is that part of that lost vitality, that drained spark, often starts with what you're drinking, or more specifically, what you're not. Because there are certain drinks, natural and time-tested, that support blood flow, revive energy, and even improve bedroom performance in ways men rarely talk about. See, your body is still capable of incredible strength, endurance, and connection. It hasn't forgotten how to feel good. It's just been waiting for the right signals. Blood flow, testosterone, mood, all these things that make you feel like a man depend on a delicate rhythm inside you. And after 60, that rhythm can be thrown off by poor circulation, low hormone levels, or chronic inflammation. But the good news is nature already offers a way to bring it back. And some of the most effective ways don't come in pills or injections. They come in simple, powerful drinks that you can add to your daily routine starting today. The first drink I want to talk about is beetroot juice. Now, it might not sound exciting. In fact, you may have passed by it at the grocery store without thinking twice, but beetroot is one of the most potent natural sources of dietary nitrates. And nitrates are the raw material your body uses to make nitric oxide. This compound is essential for relaxing blood vessels and allowing more blood to flow freely through your system. And if you're wondering why that matters in the bedroom, think of it this way. Better blood flow means better arousal, stronger erections, and improved endurance. It's not about force, it's about flow. And beetroot juice delivers that better than almost anything else. When you make it part of your morning routine or sip it in the afternoon, it primes your system for movement, clarity, and readiness. It can also help reduce blood pressure and improve stamina during physical activity, which is something every man over 60 should care about, not just for sex, but for life. The second drink might be more familiar, pomegranate juice. Unlike beetroot, this one's rich, sweet, and easy to enjoy, but what makes it so powerful is its antioxidant profile. Pomegranates contain polyphenols and flavonoids that protect your blood vessels, reduce arterial stiffness, and support healthy cholesterol levels. More importantly, several studies suggest that pomegranate juice may actually support testosterone levels, especially in aging men. That means it works on two fronts, improving circulation and encouraging better hormone balance. Together, that combination leads to better performance, better recovery, and a clearer sense of masculine energy. Drinking it consistently, not once in a while, but daily, can create real shifts in how you feel. The key is to make sure you're drinking pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice, not blends filled with sugar. Over time, it acts almost like a natural hormone tonic, supporting your body's ability to stay vital, passionate, and strong. Now, the third drink is less about stimulation and more about restoration. It's golden milk, a warm blend of turmeric, black pepper, and milk, often enjoyed at night. While it might sound like something out of a health spa, its benefits for older men are surprisingly direct. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is one of the most effective natural anti-inflammatories known to science. And for men over 60, inflammation is one of the silent killers of performance. It restricts blood flow, interferes with testosterone production, and leaves you feeling constantly drained or unfocused. When you drink golden milk, especially in the evening, you're helping your body unwind, repair, and regulate itself overnight. The black pepper isn't just for taste. It dramatically increases the absorption of curcumin in your system, making it far more effective. When you pair that with a calming, warm milk base, whether it's almond, oat, or dairy, you get a drink that not only soothes your body, but actually prepares it to function better the next day. Better sleep, lower stress, reduced inflammation, and by extension, improved desire and performance in the bedroom. But what's important to understand here is that none of these drinks are magic. They don't work in isolation, but when added to a consistent routine, combined with better sleep, light movement, and a bit of self-respect, they amplify your body's ability to heal and respond. And that's the real power. It's not about chasing youth. It's about reclaiming vitality, waking up and feeling strong in your skin again, going to bed knowing your body still has what it takes. These drinks support that process in a natural, steady way. And over time, the results speak for themselves. More energy, better flow, clearer desire, and renewed confidence. You don't need a dozen supplements or intense gym sessions to turn things around. Sometimes the shift begins with something as simple as what's in your glass. A morning beetroot juice to kickstart your circulation, a midday pomegranate boost to nourish your hormones, and a calming golden milk at night to restore your system from the inside out. When these habits become part of your rhythm, your body responds, not in loud, dramatic ways, but in the quiet confidence that comes from feeling alive, grounded, and capable once again. If you've been struggling with energy dips, low motivation, or a fading spark in your relationship, I encourage you to try just one of these drinks. Make it a daily habit for the next 2 weeks. Notice how your body feels, notice how your thoughts shift, and most importantly, notice how you begin to reconnect with a version of yourself you might have forgotten was still there. That version is not gone. It's simply been waiting for care, for nourishment, for action. And now I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these drinks? Have you found a natural method that's helped you feel more energized, more focused, or more connected to your partner? Drop a comment below and share your experience. You never know who it might help. Sometimes a single insight can change someone's entire direction. And if this video gave you even one useful idea, please consider liking it. It helps more men like you find this kind of content. Men who are ready to take back control of their health and happiness without relying on shortcuts or synthetic fixes. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because in the next video, we're going even deeper into what happens when you pair these drinks with evening breathing rituals and circulation boosting techniques that support testosterone while you sleep. It's simple, it's natural, and it works. You don't have to accept decline. You don't have to settle. Your body still listens when you give it the right fuel. And that change begins with one small decision. So pour your next glass with intention. Your energy, your passion, and your confidence are worth every sip.